Do you believe in reincarnation? The famous 20th century surgeon Mario Donati could have been the reincarnation of a 17th century surgeon. There is an eyewitness account that in 1921, Donati was finishing a surgery and wasn't happy with the skin closure. So he took out all the stitches he had just placed, and when trying to make the closure more perfect, accidentally invented the vertical mattress suture. His colleague later found a drawing of the same suture in a 17th century book on surgery. Was this simply a coincidence of classic ideas that were separated by centuries? Or do people reincarnate to bring attention to their forgotten ideas of the past? Since Donati brought the vertical mattress suture back to life, many variations of it have been developed that are invaluable when closing wounds under high tension, even minimizing scarring by deflecting tension away from the scar line. Like many surgeons today, Donati did not have knowledge of old medical books and did not like to waste his time studying them, which was his way of striving to innovate new techniques that reach beyond the old, outdated ones. Sadly, lots of good surgical techniques like the vertical mattress suture are lost in ancient forgotten books and manuscripts, patiently waiting to be rediscovered.